can see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it back.
So I just did my makeup. I'm about to go to class, but I gotta stop at First Watch because they messed up my order yesterday and I gotta get it replaced. But I did my makeup because I gotta take passport pictures today so I can get my Grenada passport. Dual citizenship. This is my outfit. The top is from Shein. The bottoms are from Pretty Little Thing. And Rochelle did my hair. I'm gonna tag her right there. That's her Instagram page if y'all want to get your hair done. And I also wore my black and white panda dunks. This is me in the car. Gotta stop and get gas. I didn't even realize my gas tank is empty. It's ridiculous. Don't be like me. Look at my makeup though. My makeup is lit. So now I'm walking into Wawa. I had to get gas really bad. I have a free reward on my phone. Y'all need to download the Wawa app. They gave me a reward for my birthday, and because it's October 4th, it expires in like 2 days. Thank you. This is the reward. So now I'm at First Watch. Oh, thank you. So I can get my order fixed. Now I'm at the school. I go to BC right now. I might cut that part out. I'm so late to this Spanish class. It's like freaking 1:45 and it ends at 2:15. I'm gonna be there all of 30 minutes and it started at 12:30. I had so much to do today. It's okay. I love the dunks though. And I got my drink. I have so much drinks in my car. I got freaking water. I walk with water everywhere. And then the thing from Wawa and this, that's a lot. Yo, tell me why as soon as I walk in the class, everybody's walking out because she let the class out 30 minutes early. So I basically came for no reason. Something in my head told me it don't even make sense to go because by the time you get there, it's going to be done. But I didn't listen. I was like, I'm going to be a good student and I'm going to go. But you know what? It doesn't matter because I still got my attendance grade. So I guess I did come for a reason, even though it's only worth 5%. I already have a 90 something in the class. I'm already passing. I don't really need the extra 5%. I mean, it would be good, but do I need it? No. So did I need to come here? No. But I did the right thing. Okay? And now I'm gonna sit in my car and I'm gonna eat my First Watch. They always spell my name wrong with one S. I got the $1 million breakfast hash. I kind of ate it while I was driving. But it's a seasonal item. It's literally like potatoes and the $1 million bacon, which is like candy bacon, and eggs and arugula, and potatoes and cheese. It's not bad. Now, I'm at the Sawgrass Mall. I'm going in Primark because I need to get some socks. These are the 2 socks that I chose to get. So I'm in this home store. I don't even know what it's called, but it's new. In my free time, I go home shopping so I can manifest the things I want for my future house. I like this couch. I mean, chair. I basically just walked around the remainder of the store to see what else they had. This store is giving me like a Home Goods vibe or like Ross or Marshalls. So you guys could definitely go there. It's just so hot, but the name of the store is Home Sense. That's me in the window. So now I'm going to Cheesecake Factory. This is Tiana on the phone. Say hi.
Hi.
So Cheesecake Factory.
You like my voice?
This ain't shit. Wait till you see it in a thong. I'm at Cheesecake Factory at the Sawgrass Mall, so I could get my free reward for cheesecake for my birthday. This is the reward. Let's see if it works. So I'm finally home. What's the word? I refreshed my makeup. Tell me why I cleaned out my drawers. I had a whole bunch of new makeup and I found this lip oil. This is the bomb. Look at my lips. No bars. City girl. I don't even know what brand this is, but it's so good. It's so good. It says Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil Heart Poppin', made in Korea. This is the bomb. This is my new everyday thing. I need to look it up because I need to buy more. Because when it runs out, I don't know what I'm going to do. Just look at it. The bomb. I'm finally at Walgreens getting ready to take these passport pictures. And there is such a sketchy guy over here. Oh my gosh. Let's see how these passport pictures come out. I gotta throw this drink away. It was too sweet. Someone is already taking pictures. It's gonna be me next. It's going now.
It's recording?
Yeah.
So you want me to look at you? You're taking your picture. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Go ahead.
I'm ready.
Head straight. No, straight. I can see this here.
Oh.
No, I'm just like head straight. Head is straight, okay? Straight, I can see this one. You have to push a little bit on this side face. Yeah. Too much. Look it in here.
Should I smile?
You can smile, but don't let focus on that one.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
I want
Okay.
Okay.
These are my passport pictures. Can I touch the screen? Okay, I'm gonna touch the screen. That wasn't a yes. What up?
This isn't gonna work.
Oh. Oh wait, it did work. It did.
He is just like.
I look tired.
You are tired.
I look like.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, I was like turned. You're right. It's not that bad.
He has us turned all crazy.
These are how the passport pictures came out. They're not bad. I was listening to my favorite song in the background, y'all, so I cannot put that in the video because I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so I can bring you guys more YouTube videos. But if you know, you know. Now I'm at Chipotle because I have to get my favorite thing, the carne asada quesadilla, before it goes because it's too good for me to let it go. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, they didn't make it with love this time. It just doesn't look as good as it usually looks. It's a little bit sloppy this time. I promise it looks so much better than this if you get it like any other day. Don't take this video as an example. Now I'm in the new apartment complex by my house, and I'm gonna see if they're gonna let me do a tour. I doubt it because it's like 6:45. It's probably too late, but we're gonna see. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, that Chipotle was not hitting like how it usually is. Like, I don't know. I really think the office is closed. Let's see. Oh, they close at 6. Womp womp womp. If I would have went before Chick-fil-A, let's see if it's open. Uh-oh, nope, it's closed. Gotta come back another day. This company called US Hookah Supply sent me a hookah in the mail, and they sent me everything I need for the hookah. All I had to do was record a video about it. So make sure you hit them up if you smoke hookah, because it's a really good hookah. And they sent me everything that I need. The coal, the shisha, the tips, the foil, everything you could possibly need for a hookah, they sent it to me. So I would highly recommend. And the hookah was nice and smooth, how it's supposed to be. So my day is finally over. I'm about to shower, take my makeup off, wrap my hair up, and go to sleep because I have to work in the morning. Ugh. Work. But I gotta make money. This is this Aldo purse that I've had for quite a while. And ever since my mom told me it looks like an old lady purse, I can't unsee it. And now I don't want it. So now I'm gonna give it away. Somebody is gonna want it.
If I wrote you a symphony, just just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me?